This is Bridgford Monkey Bread, and it is the coolest thing to put in your microwave. It's actual bread with cinnamon and sugar mixed in with it. So if you want that fresh bread smell in your apartment, this is what you should get. I'm going to put it in this microwave here. It goes in, see, look at the bread. It goes in for 2.5 minutes. And there you have it. Takes a little while, but I guarantee you this whole place is going to start smelling like freshly baked bread, and I did it in a microwave. I think that's my phone. I'm going to get my phone. We just keep watching the microwave. Hi, did you know that I'm microwaving bread right now? I'm microwaving bread right now in the microwave. It's called Bridgford Monkey Bread, and I didn't know that it was invented until I went to the store and searched for something unusual to put in my microwave. Are you going to come over and try my fresh cinnamon pull-apart monkey bread? You're laughing, but I'm being very serious. I'm microwaving fresh bread. Looks like I have about 10 seconds left to go. I will call you back. Bye. All right, let's see how it looks. Doesn't this look good? I know you want to smell it. Let's just put it on a plate, and you can see how beautiful this looks. You just flip it over on a plate, and oh my goodness, look what I just baked, Mom. Really nice, huh? You can tell your parents that you baked bread in the microwave.